What's going on, tool groupies? Today we're going to be checking out model number 81908 from GEARWRENCH. It's a SAE Crowfoot wrench set, so let's get to it. So what we've got here is GEARWRENCH model number 81908. It's an 11-piece SAE Crowfoot wrench set with a lifetime guarantee. For further information, all you gotta do is go to gearwrench.com, call 1-800-688-8949 for further details. Contents within this set is gonna be 3/8 through 1 inch, doesn't skip any size in between. Two of the more common sizes that I personally use on a day-to-day basis is gonna be the 3/4 and the 15/16. All these are made in Taiwan, fully polished chrome vanadium alloy steel and a mirror polished chrome finish with laser etching on each one of the crow's feet. Plus everything comes in this nice compact storage tray, so all you gotta do is unwrap it, pull the plastic off of it, stick it in your toolbox, put the tools right to work, which is exactly what we're getting ready to do. They fit right inside the toolbox drawer, perfectly fine, easy access, great organization. You can pack the whole tray up if you'd like and take it on the go with you. Where I work on machines and commercial equipment, quite a few situations that I will get into where these types of tools are exactly what I need to get the job done. If you have the right tools for the job, you're able to work fast and efficiently. Get the job done, repair done, make the customer happy, get production back up and going again, collect your payday and go on to the next one. Now these are nice quality crow's feet right here. The laser etching might wear off over time, but it is some pretty nice laser etching. It's not that cheap stuff that you'll see on cheaper products. I like the fact that it's nice and organized. Of course, you can put them on a socket rail if you'd like. That way it reduces the bulk inside your toolbox. It's kind of a personal preference. If you have a crow's foot, you can slop this on a ratchet, nice extra long body feature, flex head ratchet, something like that, and you can access fasteners just like you would with a wrench, but with a lot less hassle. You wouldn't have to take apart as many pieces to be able to get to whatever fastener you're trying to get to. Standard size is good for me because a lot of older machines and equipment are going to have SAE sizes on them, such as that gear wrench right there. It might not be long enough for what I need. The long panel gear wrench might not be long enough for what I need, so all I got to do is stick a crow's foot on the end of a ratchet, and if I need something that's extra long, right here you go, you got that extra length. Or if you need something at a specific angle, these are tools that you can use with other tools to make you more effective at what you're doing. I've used the GEARWRENCH crow's feet time and time again. I've even shaped some of them down for specific purposes because it was cheaper to buy the individual crowfoot than it was to buy the wrench and customize it for my needs. As you can see with this one right here, basically took a grinder, ground down the sides of it, and I was able to access the fastener I was trying to get to. For an example, we're working on this machine here today. Now if you look inside here, you're going to try to work your way up in here, get to these fasteners, loosen these things up, tie these jam nuts, loosen those up. You got a stubby wrench, you might be able to get on there pretty decent. You're going to wear your arm out in this tight space, and you're still going to have a longer wrench to be able to break that thing loose. So with something like this gear wrench here, it will perform the job you need it to do. I can flex the head on this, get the angle that I want, put pressure on it, and break that thing loose. It's about being more efficient at the job you're trying to perform, and if you got the tools to do the job with, then you can perform your job better. Plus, you'll actually be able to reach angles you couldn't otherwise reach with a regular wrench. As you can see, I actually put that crow's foot in behind the fastener here. I got the ratchet on it. It's bottomed out up against the motor. That gives me a unique position that no other tool will fit in. So having a crow's foot is definitely going to come in handy for 1,000 different situations. And if you want to utilize this like you would a wrench, all you got to do is put the crow's foot on a 3/8 breaker bar. Fit it on there and utilize this for leverage as well whenever you need to put leverage on something to tighten up a fastener. Now this is a good tight situation that requires normally a regular wrench, but I can put this crow's foot on here and this ratchet and I can get this fastener off here. This enables me to reach out here with this actual ratchet. It's nice and long and I can apply all kinds of leverage and force to it to break that fastener loose. So these tools will come in handy for a variety of different situations, what you might need, and that alone is worth it because if it makes your job, your life, your repair easier, makes your repair more effective, you more efficient, that's what you're looking for. One thing I can tell you about these, I gave about 40 bucks for them. It's good, the going price for, you know, crow's feet. Any of them of halfway decent quality. Definitely make sure to get the ones made in Taiwan because they're a little bit better quality regardless which name brand you get. Get anything in the Chinese line, you're probably going to break the jaws on them and you don't want to do that. These are usually used in a lot of specialty circumstances. I like using them whenever it comes to machines and equipment because there's a lot of things I come across from time to time. These things are the only tool for the job. At least they're the only conventional tool for the job that'll get the job done without me taking a million things apart. Such as clutch drums and clutch tires, things like that I'll find on industrial machines and equipment that I work on frequently. You got an air line that runs around that tire. It goes through the gear reducer and into the tire so it'll inflate and deflate as needed. The problem with that is half the time you cannot get a regular wrench to the fastener to get it broke loose. It's kind of like a flare nut fitting and you're damn sure not going to get a line wrench on there. So the best tool for the job is always going to be a crow's foot. But if you have the GEARWRENCH crow's feet, standard, metric, don't matter which, make sure you comment down below. Let everybody else know your thoughts and opinions on these. Did they perform well for you, the type of job atmosphere that you're in? If you want to see these tools in action, many others, all you got to do is pop the clutch on that subscribe button. Check out some of the links down below. But until next time, smash that like button on your way out and let's get to doing that blue collar hustle.